Oh, Leo, you just. He's got two mics, so.
Actually, I dressed better
Well,
visiting
I
than
guess I messed that one up. I'll quit you with something worth $1 million more or less, Leo, in a few minutes. Okay? All right.
Depends on how it feels, huh? Like you and I.
Oh, that's right. I got it out 4, 5, 6 years ago. Yeah, I'm with you.
Number 53, Anaconda.
Cuts hair and left.
58, Mike Blinchen, where are you, Kevin?